recipes I've done using paneer, and paneer is one ingredient that we can really make a number of recipes with. And today I'm going to show you guys a very simple and delicious Paneer Bhurji. So let's get started and check out the recipe. Take a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee. To this add half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon saute or fennel seeds. Next add 2 medium-sized onions chopped, 2 large green chillies chopped, once the onions have turned transparent, add 1 medium-sized capsicum that's been cut into small pieces. I'm pounding a piece of ginger and 3 cloves of garlic. Add the pound ginger garlic. Adding freshly pounded ginger garlic gives a fantastic taste and aroma to any dish. Saute for about 2 minutes for the raw smell to go. Next add 1 large tomato finely chopped. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. After adding all the masala powders, mix it well and cook for about 2 minutes. While cooking the masala, I'm just going to quickly crumble the paneer pieces. I've taken 200 grams of paneer for this recipe. So just cut it into pieces and crumble them. You can just roughly crumble it with your hands like this. So before adding the paneer, make sure the masala is ready and all the raw smell is gone, because paneer doesn't take too long to cook. So you can see the masalas come together beautifully. So after adding the paneer, give it a quick mix. I'm just going to add quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder. Like I said, paneer does not require too much time to cook, so you don't want to cook it for too long because it can become very dry. Finally, garnish it with the juice of half lemon and some freshly chopped coriander leaves. The Paneer Bhurji is done. It looks absolutely delicious. So there you go, here is this very simple yet delicious Paneer Bhurji. Now this makes also for a great lunchbox recipe. You can make this Paneer Bhurji with some nice chapathis or rotis and you can pack them for lunch. You can garnish it with some nice coriander leaves and serve it hot. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.